Hello friends, welcome back to a new price prediction update on SLP, where we will be taking a look at the 15 minutes, talking about the recent support areas and the recent resistance that we see in the market, and hopefully see potential rise in SLP and Axie Infinity in the next coming days. So if you like this type of analysis, please like and subscribe, and let's get into the video and talk about some of the things that I see. So as we can see before in the recent analysis that we did, we know that there has been, we were in a downtrend for quite some time. And I stated that I wanted SLP to hopefully in the next coming days to have more volume come in as, Bitcoin continues to be sideways. I wanted to see a lot of more volume coming in Bitcoin, and then this will reflect on the projects that we're in as well. So I was stated that I wanted price to break out of this descending triangle here and retest back here at about 0.0202 to potentially rise back and fill in some gaps and from some resistance that we had before at about 0.0230. Okay, so this was a crucial level where I wanted to see volume come in here. Okay, so I didn't want to see this volume here. As you can see, if we zoom in, we saw some some bullish momentum happening, which we illustrated that I wanted to see more bullish momentum happening here. Okay, so the volume wasn't as much as I wanted it to be, so we saw volume actually increase at these levels here. If you take a look, and when we were oversold as well, we saw that we came back to the levels of support we created before. But I wanted price to fully break out of here, okay? Not just wick up there and then close and then retest back here before going back down. I wanted a volume, like a large volume candle to come out of here, okay? So I wanted a large volume candle to at least right here. Okay, and then retest back. I wanted to retest back like we saw here. We saw that there was going to be another reversal here, as you can see, where price never closed down here. Okay, and we created also a double bottom here. Okay, so if price would have stayed on top of here, and as you can see here, we talked about we wanted to create a support level at the descending triangle that we've created before. Okay, so here I wanted price, since we were in the sideways here market for a little bit, it was going to be either way, okay? So price would have rallied either way, and we saw that, since the decrease here of volume, as you can see here, it was for the bearish side, we saw a break here and then retest, okay? So instead of us for the price, we wanted price to break out of here and then retest back, so retest back here at about 0.0201 and then potentially rise back to fill in the gaps that we had here at about 0.026. But unfortunately, with a lot of projects volume dying out a little bit in the last few days, we saw the prices here decrease, as we talked about before. Okay, so we were in a downtrend for quite some time here, as you can see. This is the 15 minutes as well. So price also respected the levels of support we created before at about 0.0188, which is a good sign. Okay, as you can see here, these levels of support we created before, we were also in a descending triangle, as you can see here. And there was going to be a lot of indications that price was going to wick out of here, okay? We saw that over here. We saw at these levels we were oversold as well. And we saw, look at this bullish momentum here. This is the one I'm talking about, okay? This one here as well. Look how price wicks out of here, okay? Not just a little bit of volume coming in, but no, look at the volume, okay? So volume at these areas were very crucial because we also created a double bottom here indicating there was going to be another reversal. But volume at these areas, as you can see here, we wicked out of here and then created another support level at the descending triangle, which I've spoken about in this right here, in these areas, which I wanted price to happen, okay? But unfortunately, you see this volume, how we came right back down to the support levels we created. But here, you see this engulfing candle here. You see how the levels of bullish momentum, look at this candle, okay? And this indicated that there was going to be another reversal, okay? We retraced back to the levels of support we created before, and which indicated there was going to be a good bullish momentum occurring. So just keep in mind that we are currently, sideways as well for SLP. We are down 0.52, but that's okay, all right? We can still see momentum happening for SLP. And as you can see, price is currently, heading back up to a little bit. But keep in mind, we are oversold as well on the R side. So there could be another retracement back to the premium levels that I stated before, which is here at about 0.0184. So as you know as well, there's a big level of resistance at these levels, which price is currently going back up to there. And as you can see, me doing this video live as well, we can see that price had a double top here. And then look what happened where price went back to these levels of resistance, okay? We see this bearish candle here coming in, okay? So we currently, we are currently going down, as you can see here live. But if price actually, I want to see price to break out of here. But since we also retested it several times, this indicating that the third chance is price going down as well. But if you can, since this is the 15 minutes, so we still got time. But if price breaks out of here and price, wicks, you see how it's just rejecting these levels here. If you can see another reversal come back and then retest back at 0.0194, then this will be very crucial to break this crucial level of resistance here and head back to the levels again of resistance at about 0.0207. Okay, so it's very crucial that we are able to break this level here and not break out of the uptrend that we currently have. Okay, so if we do break out of this uptrend and then retest back to the uptrend that we have at 0.0192, then expect another retracement back to about 0.0186 and also the premium levels that we have for support at about 0.0183. Okay guys, just a quick analysis on SLP. Hope you guys found value and liked the video, and it would mean a lot if you can like and subscribe. And see you in the next one, guys, and take care and stay blessed.